If you like this video and you want to see more of it, click subscribe, ring the bell, and leave a message down below. And share this with anybody you feel would get some value of it, whether they're thinking about moving to the area or moving somewhere different in the area, because I'm going to show you everything Polk County has to offer. What's up, my friends? Big George here today to show you the Celeste. This is more of a reintroduction of the Celeste. I have a staged home of the Celeste here in Gum Lake. You will see a few differences in some of our northern communities here in Polk County, as they have some stone finishes. This community particularly has like a glass front door, and you also see that the garage has some windows on the top. Just some small little tweaks, but I just wanted to take this opportunity to make sure I was able to show you a Celeste with furniture in it, because that will change your perspective over the size inside the home. So let's turn this camera around and check it out. Well, there we go, my friends. We have it, the Celeste, 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,824 square foot, an amazing master closet that is like a little secret room. That thing's so large that you could do just tons and tons of amazing ideas with. I like to see these homes staged, gives me some great ideas. But I also like the blank canvases, because then you can imagine what you're going to do to that space. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I've got a few more to show you coming up here in the next week or so. So I'll see you guys then. And if you're looking to check out one of these communities, give Big George a call and we'll set that up for you. Give you the VIP treatment. Hope you guys have a great day and we'll see you soon.